Congratulations for amazing 15 years. You have helped all of us to have a secured future as well as grow our money. Personalized approach is commendable.
Congratulations team हरिपत्ती. It's been a wonderful journey. 5 साल कैसे बीत गए पता ही नहीं चला. पहले एक सिप लिया, फिर दूसरा, फिर तीसरा और मजा आने लग गया. And उसके बाद इंश्योरेंस शुरू हुई. And the best thing about team हरिपत्ती is कि आप अपने घर में किसी फैमिली मेंबर का बर्थडे नहीं भूल सकते. They are the first one to wish you for each and every family member.
First of all, congratulations on completing amazing 15 years. I've been ably guided by you and your team over a decade now. You have not only provided the financial guidance but also gone an extra mile to ensure that we are the master of our own money.
Congratulations Team Haripatti on completing 15 years. We wish you all the best for future.
Congratulations to all of you on your 15th Founders Day. I'm equally pleased to be associated with you for more than I think 8 years of your journey of 15 years, and it has been a wonderful experience. You have taught me so many things about financial instruments and insurance. Gurleen, I've found you to be one of the most humble and most helpful persons around.
Congratulations Haripatti for a phenomenal 15 years. It's been a great journey and Gurleen ji has been very supportive in every step of the way. I wish you all the best for next 15 years and many more years ahead.
Congratulations Haripatti. Gurleen and team have been very supportive and I think they are very motivating. They have helped us, our entire family, during the tough times also.
Kudos Haripatti. Congratulations Gurleen for your hard work and innovation.
Hello Gurleen ji and Mr. Tikku ji, congratulations for your last 15 successful years of Haripatti. We have been connected with you and your family. जब से आपने हरिपत्ती स्टार्ट की है उससे भी पहले से आपने इतनी अच्छी ग्रोथ की और आपने हमेशा इतना अच्छा गाइड किया हमें. Very good beta, keep it up.
Haripatti have not only taught me and guided me, in fact it became the first place where I entered and learned about the business values and work culture. So it will always have a special place in my heart, and obviously Gurleen ma'am have always been like my elder sister and my mentor.
Hi Gurleen and Haripatti family. I've known you guys for long and I've seen the way you've been helping and servicing your customers. I think you've gone out of the way to make sure that the ends are met. Congratulations on completing 15 years and I can surely say 15 साल से तो नहीं जानती मैं आपको, but जितना जानती हूँ I think year on year आपकी फैमिली बढ़ रही है, बढ़ेगी.
Happy to know that Haripatti is celebrating its 15th Founders Day. I know that you have done very hard work to reach to this successful level.
As a client, I'm associated with them from last 3 years and I'm extremely satisfied with their services. You have helped me achieve my financial independence. Thank you and I wish you a bright future and many more successes to celebrate.
Hi Gurleen, congratulations Haripatti.
God bless you with lots of success.
I take this opportunity to congratulate Gurleen and Team Haripatti on accomplishing 15 glorious years. It takes me back to the time when Gurleen had just started this and how beautifully she carried the legacy of her father forward.
गुरलीन जी और हरिपत्ती टीम के सारे मेंबर्स, आपको हरिपत्ती के 15 वर्ष संपन्न होने पर हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. मुझे और मेरे परिवार को जब भी फाइनेंशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट के मार्गदर्शन की जरूरत थी, आपकी और आपकी टीम हमेशा उपस्थित थे और उसे संपन्न भी करवाया.
It has been a wonderful journey where we have seen that Haripatti has come up to the expectations of all his clients. Especially we have been very happy and we have been getting service not 15 but 40 years. I came in contact with Sardar Trilok Singh and the way he impressed me, the way he provided services, and the same is being continued by Gurleen. So we are very happy.
Hi Gurleen, many happy returns of the day to you and the entire Haripatti team. You are a very smart fund manager.
Congratulations Gurleen and Haripatti for completing 15 successful years. Wish you many more years ahead.
आज गुरलीन कौर जी ने न सिर्फ इंश्योरेंस के काम को आगे बढ़ाया है बल्कि फाइनेंस से जुड़े हर पहलू को नया आयाम दिया है. मैं जब भी उनसे किसी भी फाइनेंशियल प्रोडक्ट के बारे में या मनी मैनेजमेंट के बारे में सलाह लेने गया हूँ तो उन्होंने मुझे हर बार अच्छी तरीके से हर प्रोडक्ट के बारे में जानकारी दी है.
It's been a pleasure working with you for the past 12-13 years. You and your team comes across as very switched on, and I don't think there's been any instance wherein I've had any query or in trouble that I've been in that you have not helped me. Thank you once again and keep going. All the very best.
Gurleen and her team, the entire Haripatti team has taken care of not just mine, but my whole family's financial matters. I think it has taken the complete baggage off our heads. Where money is concerned, we can actually depend on Gurleen and on Haripatti.
I congratulate you for completing 15 years on this platform. Your connection with our family is indeed very old and it dates back to when your father was there. I have seen Haripatti grow with your hard work, knowledge, courage and dedication. Your support and guidance is remarkable. I wish you a very bright future.
I really want to thank Gurleen ji and Haripatti for being a support in my life. That on the financial front, and the whole team is very, very professional. She will actually go out of the way to help you, and anytime and every time I've tried reaching out to her, she's always available. I can always trust forever to take care of the money and the finances.
जैसे आप सबको एडवाइस देते हैं, बहुत अच्छी एडवाइस देते हैं. हमारे को आपके साथ जुड़ने में बहुत अच्छा लगा. सबका साथ दिया और सबके हर काम में आपने बिल्कुल बढ़ चढ़कर साथ दिया.
Over the last decade or so, Haripatti has been a great asset. While I focused working hard on my work, Haripatti ensured that my money was working even harder. Wish you a very happy birthday. All the very best. Do well.
Congratulations Haripatti on completing 15 years of your practice. Investment advisory के business में सबसे ज़्यादा important है knowledge, honesty, sincerity. I think ये तीनों factors आपके ऊपर पूरी तरह खरे उतरते हैं. आप लोग इसी वजह से सक्सेसफुल हैं क्योंकि आपके पास वो बेसिक नॉलेज है और आप ऑनेस्ट और सिंसियर हैं अपने क्लाइंट्स की तरफ.
It's my privilege to talk about Haripatti and Gurleen ji as they have done a grateful job in serving us. And no matter whatever the circumstances are, your reply is instant.
हरीपत्ती की 15वीं वर्षगांठ पर आप सभी को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. कभी भी किसी भी तरह की समस्या उनके रहते हुए हमें महसूस नहीं हुई, चाहे वो मेडिकल पॉलिसी हो, चाहे वो म्यूचुअल फंड हो, LIC हो, मोटर क्लेम हो, सभी तरह की उन्होंने समस्याओं का समय पर समाधान कराया.
Congratulations and lots of blessings and wishes from चड्ढा परिवार to हरीपत्ती, और आपको भी और टिक्कू जी को भी.
मेरे सामने आपके पापा का चेहरा बार बार सामने आ रहा था और मैं उनको बहुत इज्जत देता था, देता हूँ, देता रहूँगा क्योंकि वो एक सच्चे ईमानदार मेहनती इंसान थे. मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि आप आज जिस तरह से काम कर रही हैं, ये त्रिलोक सिंह जी का ही चेहरा सामने आता है.